The same easy-to-use SureCam for Geotab integration you already love just got better. Our updated dashboards keep the same simple layout but now incorporate AI insights everywhere where appropriate, unlocking better data analysis for driver trends and coaching. The highlights of the upgraded SureCam AI for Geotab integration release include a new SureCam safety score, which is a combination of Geotab Go 9 triggered telematics events, plus AI detected events like phone usage, distracted driving, tailgating, and many more, triggered by your SureCam AI-powered dash camera. The same quick glance dashboards are enhanced with detailed scoring and trend data, allowing you to go from full fleet to individual driver trends and actions in 2 simple clicks. A new camera health dashboard that automatically identifies all non-reporting cameras and displays recovery actions to speed up the troubleshooting process helps you stay on top of your fleet's device availability and minimizes chances of ever missing a critical video event. And a dedicated dashboard automatically shows your SureCam camera's impact on driver behavior, helping you calculate ROI for your fleet safety program based on time saved in event remediation and driver coaching. With SureCam's latest Geotab integration update, experience unparalleled safety, efficiency, and control. Speak with a SureCam representative today to bring your use case alive with a personalized demonstration of the new Geotab integration. SureCam AI for Geotab, driving safety forward.